Hi guys, this is the Bordicha channel. So we're gonna be making pizza today. So we get carrots, noodles, which we call marinara sauce, mozzarella, and pita, and you will need gloves. Okay? So let's get started with the marinara sauce. So I'm gonna put a spoon, a little bit. We're gonna take our little sauce and we're gonna spread it. Now we're gonna do noodles and carrots. Put some carrots. So we made noodles. You can put any other topping you like. We just like to put carrots and some zucchini. So we're gonna spread it on the pizza. We're gonna put it all over the place. So here's the cheese on the pizza. It looks so good, delicious. When we put it in the oven, it'll look more better. So guys, we're gonna put it in the oven. So I'm putting this in the oven. So guys, it's ready. Let's take it out of the oven. It's a little bit hot, so you might want to be careful. Now I'm gonna slice it. Let's try. You guys, subscribe. This is so good. You have to make this at home. So good with pita and steaks.